To start doing gig work with Appen, follow this simple process to set up a new profile. Go to connect.appen.com and click on Apply Now. Then enter your email address, a password, your first and last names, and your country of residence. Check the boxes to certify that you are at least 18 years old and have read the data privacy disclosure, and that you are able to provide legal, country-specific tax documentation. Click Create Account. You'll receive a verification code at the email address you entered. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam folder. Enter this code to verify your email and proceed. Your Appen account has been created. Click Go to Login page. Enter the email address and password you used to create your account. Click Please log in. Next, enter your primary language and language region. Click Continue to proceed. You're in. From here, you can continue on to complete your profile, or browse available jobs. If you click on Browse Jobs, you'll be taken to your Appen dashboard. Click Start Tour to learn how to apply to work on available projects. If you see a project that looks interesting, click Apply to get started. In order to get access to additional projects, click the Unlock More Projects section and complete your profile. Thank you for viewing this video. Have fun doing gig work at Appen!